here with the Class 2 shot put winner Brandon Lawrence from Monroe College. You finished 5th last year, Brandon, and off the podium. Redemption for you, a personal best, 18.40 meters. Tell me about your series of throws.
A series of throws was good. A good start. First throw I tried. I wanted to get a safe throw. Went off light on the second one, didn't connect. Went off light on the third one, didn't connect. For the 4th, 5th, and 6th throws, still went off light, didn't connect. But I'm grateful.
Congratulations on your gold and your personal best.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And we also have the Class 2 long jump winner, ZAVIEN Bernard of Hydel. You upgraded from last this year, 5.75 meters. ZAVIEN, tell me about your jump.
Well, it was extremely hard, but I pulled myself through. I'm really happy for the gold medal because I've never won a gold medal in long jump. So even though I didn't get a personal best, I'm grateful to contribute a whopping 9 points to my team.
Congratulations and all the best for the rest of the championships. Back to you, Ricardo.
Yeah, thank you very much. ZAVIEN Bernard of Hydel winning her first long jump gold medal at Champs. She's won the high jump, of course. She will compete here in the triple jump as well.